Question number 1. Show the detailed contents of the stack after performing the following operations and write routines to implement push and pop operations. Push J, push M, pop, push S, push H, pop, push R, pop. Question number 2. Write an algorithm for postfix expression evaluation and show the contents of the stack for the following postfix expression evaluation. 6, 2, 3 plus minus 3, 8, 2 slash plus power 2 mod 3 plus. Question number 3. Give the node structure to create single linked list of integers and write functions to perform the following. Create list, insert node at given position, delete node at end, displaying the list. 4. Write an algorithm to convert infix expression into equivalent postfix expression and trace that algorithm with the following infix expression. So a plus b within brackets multiplied by c within brackets. No, 1 second. A plus b within brackets multiplied by c, d plus e multiplied by f, close the brackets, g and close the brackets. Question number 5. Write the recursive functions for tree traversing techniques and obtain pre-order, in-order and post-order traverse of the following tree. Question number 6. Define expression tree and show the detailed contents of the stack to construct an expression tree for the postfix expression A D plus C B star plus E F minus and star. 7. Write the conditions to insert a value into a binary search tree. Construct binary search tree with the following values: 133, 821, 34, 123, 12, 9, 8, 9, 9, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 8. Finally, display the level, degree and height of the nodes. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9, 9. So it is minus 1, 2, 3, not 1, 2, 3. Question number 8. Define height balanced binary search tree and give its importance. Construct an AVL tree with the keys 24, 71, 89, 12, 18, 82, 15, 33, 10, 54, 66, 79. So 9. Give at least 2 techniques of representing a graph in memory. Explain each with the following graph. 10. Represent the following graph with adjacency list and explain how DFS, depth first search algorithm, is used to traverse the graph. So graph. Question number 10. 11. Write an algorithm to find minimum spanning tree of the given graph using Prim's algorithm. Consider the undirected graph and weighted graph given below, write the sequences of nodes represents a correct evaluation of Prim's algorithm to construct a minimum spanning tree. So question number 11, look at the graph. Prim's algorithm. Write an algorithm to find BFS, breadth first search of the given graph, and list out at least 4 real-time applications to simulate BFS. Show the detailed resultant by traversing the given directed graph. Explain different asymptotic notations with examples and answer the following. Algorithm A requires n to the power of 2 days and algorithm B requires n multiplied n to the power of 3 to solve a problem. Write algorithm would you prefer for the problem instance with n is equal to 10 to the power of 6. Arrange the given order of magnitudes by growth rate n, n2, n log n, n log of log n, n log 2 n, 2 by n, 3 7, n2 log n, n3. Indicate which functions grow at the same rate. 14. Given the input sequence 3481, 2313, 7163, 9149, 4944, 9676, 1089 and hash function h of k is equal to k mod 10 and use separate chaining. If collision occurs, show the resultant hash table. 15. Write a C program to implement insertion sort mechanism given an array of integers 34 minus 21 82 54 72 minus 57 40 minus 63. Show that how many comparisons are required to sort these using insertion sort and display the values and number of comparisons after each iteration. 16. Write a C program for sorting the list of integers using quick sort algorithm. Sort the sequence key 622236 6 79 26 75 13 31 76 in ascending order using quick sort.